Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that adds both flair and protection to your gaming gear. We found this item online and have added the link in the description so you can check it out for the latest price and availability. What we're looking at today is the MightySkins skin, designed specifically for the Microsoft Xbox One X controller, featuring the eye-catching battle ball design. If you're tired of the plain look of your controller and want to express your unique style, this skin is a perfect choice. MightySkins offers hundreds of designs, ensuring your Xbox One X controller can be as distinctive as you are. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features that make this skin a must-have. First and foremost, it's made from ultra-thin and ultra-durable laminate vinyl, which means it not only looks good but also provides excellent protection against dings, scrapes, and dust. The stain-resistant material helps keep your controller looking fresh and new, even after heavy use. One of the best aspects of the MightySkins is how easy it is to apply and remove. Thanks to its patented low-grip air release adhesive, you can put the skin on your controller without any hassle. When you're ready for a change, it comes off effortlessly, leaving no sticky residue behind. This means you can switch styles as often as you like without any fuss. This skin is perfect for gamers of all ages, whether you're a casual player who enjoys a bit of fun or a hardcore gamer looking to stand out at tournaments. It's also a great gift idea for friends or family who own an Xbox One X controller. The customizable options mean you can find a design that suits their personality perfectly. In practical terms, using MightySkins is straightforward. Simply peel off the backing, align it with your controller, and smooth it out. It's that easy. Once applied, you can enjoy gaming without worrying about damaging your controller. Plus, it can even enhance your grip and overall feel, making those marathon gaming sessions just a little bit more comfortable. MightySkins is all about customer satisfaction.